Hello viewers, my name is Ranjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel RKP Tutorial and Info. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mask at home by this type of carry bags available at market. Before I start this video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my video. And again request you not to skip this video and watch this up to the end. Let's come to the main point. As you all know that coronavirus is spreading day by day in a speedy sequence. Nowadays, wearing mask is must when you go outside to buy anything like vegetables, grocery items, or to do any work outside. Otherwise, you will be beaten by the police. So I request you to wear the mask. But in the market, there is some shortage of good quality mask. So I thought that if I make a video showing how to make a mask at home with no cost, then it will be helpful to many people. And for your kind information, I will be glad to make you know that anyone can make it as a profession. My another motto to make this video is to make the people self-reliant. Anyone who stays at home doing nothing can make this mask sitting at home easily and earn lots of money. So please watch this video up to the end and learn how to make a mask at home with proper design and measurement. A link has been shared in the description box to download a PDF file and can take a printout of total design and measurement. So speaking no more, let's start the video after a small intro. Okay friends, now I am going to make this mask. At first you have to take this type of bag and you will see that in this corner part stitches are already there. Okay, we have to take these parts, these corner parts. Okay, take this corner part like this, cut here, like this, and also in this part. So okay, now we have two this type of ribbon. Do you know why have I cut this ribbon? This will be used as air band. Okay, let's keep it side. Okay friends, we will make like this type of mask. See this is like a surgical mask. Okay, now start making. I have made a design. Okay, this is cutting design, and you can find it in my description box. Okay, now I have to cut this box. Okay, let's cut it. Okay, now I have cut it. Okay, now it is here it is written 16 centimeter. That means this side is 16 centimeter, this side is 16 centimeter, and this side is 16 centimeter, and this side also is 16 centimeter. That means it is a square. You have to cut the bag in a square size. Okay, now it will be used as a measurement. Okay, I shall cut this bag like this. Okay, now take this bag and I shall cut this bag in the shape of this paper. Okay, I am throwing it out. Okay, I have cut this bag like this. Okay, remember that you have to use double-sided paper. That means it is one side and two side, second side. Okay, that means it is double layer mask. It is okay. Now what I have to do is that take this paper again. Okay, take this paper again, and I think you are able to see there is some lines here, and when you will download and print it from my description box, you will find that the measurements, how to cut the paper and how to cut this bag. Okay, now do this like me. We have to mark like this. See this? This is right side and it will be left side. In the both sides you have to mark. Okay, now it is written here, fold in the upper side. It is written here, fold in inner side. Then we will fold it inner side. That means it is inner side, and that is outer side. So I have to fold it in inner side in the first mark. Okay, inner side, and you have to take the and do like this, make a stretch line. Okay, first line will be inner side and second line will be outer side. Okay, do like this. Okay, now what to do? Third line will be in the inner side. And fourth line will be in outer side. Okay, now fifth side will be inner side. Okay, now the last not least, the fourth side, sixth side is will be in the outer side. Okay, we have folded it well, and you can see the folds. I think you are looking the folds. Now I have to fold like this. Okay, I think you can see like this and like this. See this? We have folded it well. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to sieve it in the machine. Okay, let's sieve. Okay, now I have sieved it here. Okay, in the other side also we have to sieve. Okay, take this. Okay, now let's see how I have made this mask. Let's see. This opens like here, like this. Okay, this will be like this. Okay, now we have to attach the ribbon. Okay, we had prepared these two ribbons earlier. Now I have to attach this ribbon like this. We have to take 50% in the middle, from the middle. Okay, like this at first. Okay, okay, we have stretched this. Okay, we have sew this like this, and it is tightly fitted here. Now in the other side also do like this. Okay, okay friends, now see, it is fitted tightly. Okay, now what I have to do is to sew in the corner. Two corners will be jointed here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now it is ready, and now do this in the other side. Okay friends, Now it is totally ready. Okay, I can use it. Okay, let me do this like okay friends, we have made this mask at home, and you can also make this mask like me at home. It is very cheap and very comfortable to use. See, we have put it in my ear. Okay, see this. I request you, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and comment if you have any query. Okay, I will respond as soon as possible. Okay, that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.